Hey guys, welcome back. We have the jet ski and our big float dog. And yes, that is Aspen on the dog.
She's riding a weenie dog. Say hey everyone.
Yeah, you're supposed to bring the dog back to her.
It was on pause. Okay. We're going to check this bait trap right here and see if she's got anything in there. So.
Oh, I got one bluegill.
Yeah, she got one little bluegill in there. I know you can't see him, guys. It's hard to, but she did get one. That was good. I guess here in a minute, I'm going to take you guys for a ride on the jet ski. All right. Give me just a few minutes, guys. We'll get straightened around here and I'll take you for a ride on the jet ski. And then I'm going to try to get her butt on that big old weenie dog right there. And see where it goes from there. Alright, she's going to check this other trap now. It's the one with the yellow rope right there.
For some reason, this one's my favorite trap.
Yeah, for some reason, this one ain't been doing nothing.
Oh, we got one.
Yeah. We got one in there. That's cool.
Oh, two. I feel the other one's sticking me.
That's cool. Throw back out there and let her sit. Nice throw. All right.
I'm a professional.
All right, folks. Let me get my life jacket and stuff on here. I'll take you for a ride. Give me just a minute. All righty, guys. I'm going to climb on this jet ski and take you for a ride. Well, back in a second, baby.
guys, so they're riding the jet ski. Right there's the big dog. I'm going to go ahead and check this trap right here and see if we got anything. I might check this other one first. Yeah, it's right here. See if we have anything in it first before I check the other one. Nope. Just a bunch of ribs and chicken in that. Thought about using the cast net a little bit. Alrighty, now for the one with the yellow rope. I'm gonna see if ribs and chicken worked good in the deeper end, which is surprising if it did, because we got a few. Oh, we got quite a few. Quite a few bluegill, and I don't even know what kind of fish that is, but yeah, so good day. I'm gonna release some of these actually, see if I can get them in here. But yeah, for right now, that's the bait trap. It's been about an hour since I checked them last, so I'll be getting back to releasing all of them, and then I might use my cast net a little bit. I don't know if you can see into the water, but there is a whole lot of bluegill in here. If I can get the gleam off there. There is tons of them, and they will bite you. We call them little piranhas. Right there's a few more, but I think you get the gist. This whole lake is full of them. This is the lake right here. It's called Providence. It's really beautiful. People come out here on their boats. But yeah, I don't know if we're going to get to any actual fishing with these today. Pretty sure that we're just going to release the ones that we caught. This is a good place to catch some bait. And if you can tell me what these long fish are, that would be great. I don't know what they are. I know that they're babies like the bluegill that's right here, but I don't know what kind of fish they actually are. I don't know if they're carp or what. So yeah, just drop a comment if you know what that is. And hopefully before this video completely ends, I'm hoping I can get a video of being on that dog right there hooked to the jet ski. But if not, then this will be it. Alright. Thanks, guys. Bye. Alrighty, guys, as promised, I'm going to get the jet ski and ask to run the weenie dog. We call him Red Rover. Aspen wave. Sporting our 94 Wave Runner. Hold on. Alright, Aspen fell off. Alrighty guys, so this was our day at the lake. We did get a few bluegill in the traps. And mostly had fun on the jet ski today. I'm going to try to get on this dog real quick and hopefully we can get the video of it. It's still recording.
Alrighty, guys. I'm gonna try to get her. Well, let me turn you back around here. Alright, folks, give me just a second here. Alrighty, guys, she's on this thing.
Let's do it.
Okay, I'm gonna try to get her going on this thing if I can. It's hard to record this thing with holding it. It's hard for you guys to see her because I'm having to try to drive one hand and hold this. It's very hard. I'm going to try to get it one more time real quick.
Put the camera around.
Okay.
No, here's the button. Put the camera that's selfie. There
Yeah.
you go. That way when you hold it, it'll face me.
It's not doing it.
It's going to face you right now, Genius. You're looking at it.
It's not facing me. It ain't switch. Don't worry about it. Let's try to get it one more time on here. I couldn't get her on camera good. I couldn't get you on camera. I missed it. You fell off and I missed it. Man, I wanted to get that on camera. Alrighty, folks, that's probably going to be it for our video here today.